Hello everyone! Today I'm going to show you one of the most profitable and efficient ways to stake your crypto assets, a method that helps you earn even more from staking. In this video, we'll take a look at a platform called Staking Rewards. I asked ChatGPT what makes this platform stand out, and as you can see, it gave a pretty detailed explanation. The point is, Staking Rewards automatically monitors all verified staking providers and acts as an aggregator. This means you no longer need to spend hours searching for the best staking offer for your asset, and then double checking whether it's actually safe. Instead, Staking Rewards does all of this for you. You simply go to their platform, choose the asset you want to stake, and instantly get the best available offer in real time. And since all providers are checked through their verified staking provider program, you really don't have to worry about safety. They also support not only native and liquid staking, but also restaking, which is considered one of the most profitable strategies today. Restaking means you take tokens that are already in liquid staking and stake them again through Staking Rewards, essentially earning double yield. Alright, let's head over to the platform itself. I'll leave the official link in the pinned comment so you don't accidentally end up on a fake website or a scam. As you can see, the interface is very minimalistic and easy to navigate. We have a full list of available assets here, and it's frequently updated, so you'll be able to stake almost any popular token. And I want to highlight something important. The APR for some coins here is higher than on most centralized exchanges, which is honestly impressive. For example, staking the HYPE token from Hyperliquid currently offers 43% APR, which is far above average market rates. For our example, let's choose BNB. As you can see, the minimum staking amount is just 0.1 BNB, and the current APR is a little over 27%, which at the moment is one of the best offers on the market. So, if I stake 5 BNB here, by the end of the period I would receive approximately 6.35 BNB, including the yield. You can also choose the type of staking right here. The actual staking process is incredibly simple. You connect your wallet. The platform shows you detailed information about the provider and all the exact conditions. And if everything looks good, you simply confirm. And that's it. Your tokens are staked. No complicated steps, no extra actions. Everything is clear, transparent, and straightforward. They also offer staking solutions for institutional investors and other products that you can explore if that fits your needs. Alright friends, that's it for today. I hope this information was helpful. As I mentioned, the link to the platform will be in the pinned comment. Make sure to subscribe and leave a like. I'll keep bringing you new videos about fresh opportunities to earn in the crypto world. Thanks for watching and see you soon. Goodbye.